Hey everybody, this is Shawn from Advanced Business Communications, and I'm here to wish a happy birthday to us. Yes, us, ABC. We turned 20 on June 5th, and I'm here to say thank you to all the employees, to the customers, and to you for a great 20 years, and we're ready for another 20 more. But, we just want to say thank you for those who have allowed us to install a telephone system, a camera system, a security access panel, or a fire alarm system, or if you allow us to take care of your computer and network equipment, we just want to say thank you. And we're going to have a party in October to celebrate. So make sure you save the date of October 1st, and you'll be hearing some more information about that later this summer. But again, thank you. And we want to wish ABC a happy 20th birthday, and to be 20 again.